Hello, this presentation is for Deliverable 1, Attracting the Eye of the Viewer. My name is Paige, and I am the parent to Oliver, who is in the first grade at New Prague Elementary School. I have decided to submit a flyer to promote our 2020 Field Day event. Starting with color choices for the title and important information, I chose to use the color red and yellow. These are primary colors, which will help attract attention to the information while helping the viewer analyze and associate the information that relates to the event taking place at their child's school. Continuing on with the colors I chose, I used a warm color scheme because warm colors have been shown to produce a warm, happy, and inviting feeling while creating an exciting response in the brain. I also used the color yellow in the sun, the color blue for the sky, and the color green in the ticket to represent money. I used comparative colors to communicate what the associated information in this flyer is before the viewer even reads the flyer. Next, I used lines to capture the attention of viewers to bring the attention of the viewer to the most vital information of when and where group lines were used. This makes the information easier to read and draws the viewer to explore the information. The diagonal lines in the sun stimulate the eyes of the viewer to the information regarding the activities that will be included. To achieve balance in this flyer, I have evenly distributed on each side along an invisible central axis the most important information, the when and the where, and other important information is placed at the center of the flyer, as this is the first place the viewer's eyes go. Other examples of balance throughout the flyer include textual elements being uniform and the type of font used. Centered alignment and even spacing also play a part. These elements create an ease of information flow for the viewer. Contrast can be seen with the varying sizes of text to show main topic items and related information written below. Bolded text is used to emphasize the most important information. The color of the text is contrasting to the color in the background to stand out and create a visually appealing view. The most important information is placed side by side in the center of the flyer. This is called juxtaposition, which shows different information is being communicated. In conclusion, I believe that the strategic placement of elements that are known to attract the eyes of viewers. I think this flyer will attract the attention of parents using colors, lines, balance, and contrast, and other elements. I believe this flyer should be chosen for the Field Day event.